It's your turn.
It's your turn.
Bro, we've been waiting.
We spent 3 hours going with the rules and you don't know what you're doing
You
yet?
have time to get a Coke, but you
Pick
didn't
up
have
the
time to
card.
go?
Pick up the
Pick
card.
up this.
What the hell are you doing, cat? What's wrong with you?
Okay, but what is up with everyone being obsessed with being in my pantry?
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Tabinda.
He's inspecting.
3D.
He's inspecting.
Oh.
We're actually like twigs. And it's rotating, so it should be fine.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Hey kitty, I got your favorite treat. A bell pepper. Are you serious, right, Meow?
How is that funny?
Punk ass.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Leave him alone.
Found some racist ass sheep. Whose horse is that?
This is the domestic short hair. A long tail, big nuts, spread, and a big nice face.
Come on, just let me take a piece, please. Please. God damn it.
Camera recording.
Aww, you're so cute. You're mine.
Yo, I'm kind of hungry. Do you guys have snacks?
You're a jerk.
Huh?
Dory, are you okay? Oh, that's good.
Star, it's okay. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, oh my God. Oh.
Reggie, can you say hi?
Look at the field mice in my goddamn bed. In the box spring. Get the f out of there. This shit's coming out today. No more box spring for you to.
Pipi und Kaki im Pipi-Kackerland.
When my family asks me, why am I late? I simply cannot enter coups of the exploding kittens.
It's a freaking shark with a freaking laser beam attached to its freaking head.
You know what's my favorite type of kitten? A spicy kitten. Oh yeah. So mean.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, yeah, come. Yeah.
Come on! Come on!
Gary, stop it. Gary.
You little.
Look at that. He is tall. He's a tall man. He was a nickel when I kidnapped him from his mother.
Okay then.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's Spider-Man! It's Spider-Man! Spider-Man! He's coming to Fortnite!
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it. I swear to God. You laughing, girl?
Get down! Sir, get down! Get down!
If cats no want kisses on face, why face so kissable? Hmm?
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Estaba cargando a mi gata cuando dijo bájame.
That was beautiful.
I need to feel something. Harry, can you tell me something that'll piss me off? Boba Fett's better than Mondo. Yep, that'll do it.
No, it's okay. I got him. Hey, excuse me, buddy. Hey, man, you gotta go home, dude. Yeah, you've been trespassing since yesterday. You happen to have any ID with you?
Why is it already stinking? Oh my goodness! It already stink! Oh my! What the fuck? Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you poor thing.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! 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 Parkour!
This is parkour.
I found this purring loaf. What's happening? What are you two? It's the arm of my sweater. What are you doing in there? You are a nut job.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet.
It's 4th of July, and our neighbors are letting off fireworks. And Jack's good. And Violet's doing okay. Hazel's not okay. Hazel is trying to burrow her little face away into the couch. So I'm just sat here with her. Poor baby.
We cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
All right, everybody, I present to you Tigger. Hey, little Tig. Hey, honey. He's got his food and some water, his box and comfort towel, a new blanket, so many new toys. Such a cute baby.